Welcome to Lustosa Marketing's LinkedIn lead generation service, your solution for building valuable connections and generating leads directly from LinkedIn. This service is designed to integrate seamlessly with your personal LinkedIn account, leveraging the power of LinkedIn Sales Navigator to reach your ideal audience. Here we are on the campaign home screen. This dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of all your active LinkedIn lead generation campaigns, whilst also allowing easy access to review past campaigns. Each campaign is fully customizable based on your target audience and messaging strategy. Diving into our live campaigns, you can see the audience for this campaign was carefully segmented using Sales Navigator. This allows us to filter by company size, industry, location, and even job titles, ensuring we reach the right professionals. In this example, we've identified 2,500 key prospects, which provides an ideal audience size to work with. Once the audience is set, the lead generation sequence begins. Our process starts with warming up the connections by liking posts or engaging with their activity. If a connection request is accepted, we then initiate a series of personalised messages, all timed optimally based on best performing data. These messages nurture the relationship, moving from an introduction to more direct calls to action. As the conversation develops, we can also include follow-up emails. This multi-touch approach ensures we stay top of mind, giving the prospect every opportunity to engage. Now that the campaign is running, you'll start to see its gradual progress. The platform's statistics provide real-time insights into key performance indicators such as message open rates, response rates, and connections made. This will gradually feed through the process and begin to create results. Our primary goal, of course, is to get responses. Once a prospect replies, it's time to engage, and you navigate to the inbox. From here, you'll find all the responses in one place. This makes it very easy to continue the conversation manually and guide prospects towards your end goal of booking a meeting. Lastly, we move to the reporting section. In the reporting section, you can filter results by time period to measure the effectiveness of each campaign over days, weeks, and even months. This level of reporting allows you to fine-tune your campaigns and make data-driven decisions that will ultimately help convert more leads into clients. And that's how Lustosa Marketing's LinkedIn lead generation service works, taking you from initial connection to meaningful conversation.